We all know feeling safe shouldn't stop at sundown. Entergy Outdoor Lighting is here to make sure there's no blind spots when it comes to the protection of the things you hold dear. Whether you need strategically placed streetlights or shining perimeter security, the path to lighting up your night has never been more clear. You know your business inside and out. We want nothing more than to help it shine. Our future-forward lighting keeps your life's calling well lit and well protected, ensuring your enterprise looks brilliant 24/7 with no upfront investment required. Work together with our energy experts to customize a lighting setup that's right for you. We'll install it, maintain it, and if needed, replace it. You'll get the most up-to-date LED technology. That means efficient illumination, less bugs, 100% recyclable, and tax deductible, keeping it simple by rolling payments into your monthly Entergy bill. Know what's out there to protect what's in here. Light up the night. Entergy Outdoor Lighting. Security you can see. Reach out for a free site assessment or visit entergy.com/outdoor lighting to learn more.